A developing country is a nice way of saying a third world country, and India being one of the biggest and fastest growing economies in the world attains this goal with Winntra PEB and Roofing System Private Limited, established in 2008 with an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Winntra has achieved its competitive position in all over India. Over 12 years of experience and immense industrial supervision, Winntra brings to you an exclusive range of pre-engineered building to make your dreams more powerful. We are equipped with complete in-house facilities, except procuring raw material and having more than 65 plants in Pan-India. Winntra PEB and Roofing System Private Limited, building with expertise.